Day 40. It is currently raining. It let up a little bit from earlier. And it is around 8 o'clock. Our shuttle driver is supposed to be here around 8:30 to take us back to the trail. We have 8.3 to do today. And I guess this is the kind of the unavoidable rain officially walking out into it. Boo. But we can't stay here forever. So, we are under the I-40 overpass, or underpass, however you want to call it. It's very well marked for the AT though, I'll tell you. There's a white blaze on every column. That's better than on the trail. It is raining pretty good right now. And I think Stick and I look like a bunch of homeless people under the bridge for the next, however long it takes for the rain to let up a little bit. It might not though, so we might just have to suck it up and go. Under the bridge sandwich eating. Ooh. Are we there yet? Also, I'd be lying if I could tell you whether we were in North Carolina or Tennessee, but I think we're in Tennessee right now. Well, the rain has returned. Yes. We're going to take a little lunch break and hopefully wait out the heavier parts of it under Stick's tarp.
Yep.
Yeah. So, at least we're not getting soaked. Well, this is the first of it. We really didn't get caught in the rain too much since we started. Maybe a little bit on our way to Klingman's Dome, and me and Rescue got a little bit on Kelly's Knob, and then we stayed at Deep Gap Shelter to stay out of it. This is the first of many, I'm sure, to come, but it's pouring right now. So hopefully we'll get a little bit of a break and we can make it the next 5 miles to the shelter. Or we will be, we got a little drainage going on here. I thought I was going to pour all over my phone. Or we're going to be walking in the rain. If it holds up all day, then we're going to be walking in the rain to get to that shelter. Snowbird Mountain. Ew. Ew. Whew. Just, whew. Brutal. Well, I'll definitely be trying to figure out what the hell this is. I didn't even see it on the map. Well, it may be raining down there, but it has finally stopped raining at the elevation we're at. And by the way, this thing is something for the FAA. I just read this thing. Soaked, everything. And to knock it all off, or top it all off, my water bottle cap was not screwed on all the way. So when I put my bag down and it fell over, the jackets that did stay dry under my bag cover got soaked. So I'm soaked. Everything's soaked. Except for my sleeping bag, so we're good on that part. This is probably the smallest shelter I've seen in a while. There's only 4 of us inside of it right now. Stick setting up his hammock and then 2 tents behind us. But that doesn't mean anything. Like, it's early. I don't know what time it is. Probably around like 2, 3 o'clock. And it was supposed to rain till 7. Even if it wasn't going to rain anymore, we were done. Like, after getting soaked, my pants are terrible. I'll never wear pants again on a day that it's going to rain. As soon as they got wet, they were falling down worse than the other ones were the first time. So I'm definitely a size 34 now. But yeah, definitely not going to have a fire today. It rained way too hard for that. And supposedly it's got a privy, but I haven't seen it yet. But the water's pretty close by. Correction, it's 4:30. So we might be it for the night. I don't know. Well, a lot later than I thought it was.